right, to get started packing the kids activity pouch, we're going to start off with the large black pouch. It's spacious, it's roomy, it has an inside pocket, has these young folks would say these days, tins across the board. All right, so to get started, we're going to put in some magnetic puzzles, because this helps just for toys and pieces not to get lost. So this is amazing. It's great. And then we're also going to pack a tablet. Sometimes tech is on the menu, so we're going to go ahead and put this in the pouch as well. As you can see, it goes in smoothly. There's a lot of space. We're also going to put in some headphones because I don't always want to hear, Baby Shark. I just, not all the time, y'all. And so then we're also going to put in some small toys. Then we're going to go ahead and zip it up. And to make sure we know what's in this pouch, we're going to put on some bag charms. We're going to put on the tech charm as well as the baby pacifier charm so that we know that this is baby items in this pouch. Just to give you a closer view of these charms. These are it right here. They're awesome. They help to identify the pouch. And now we're all packed up and ready to go. Thanks for watching.